Crash Course in English, Understanding Crash Course. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase, crash course. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Crash course is an idiomatic phrase in English. It refers to a quick, intensive way to learn something in a short period. The idea is similar to how a crash happens suddenly. A crash course delivers a lot of information quickly and often intensely. It's like a fast track to understanding a topic. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help in remembering their meanings. The term crash in crash course originally referred to intense, rapid training programs for pilots during World War II. These programs were designed to prepare pilots quickly for combat, hence the term crash, indicating speed and intensity. Let's see how to incorporate crash course in sentences. 1. I took a crash course in Spanish before my trip to Spain. 2. Our company offers a crash course in digital marketing. 3. She needed a crash course in Excel for her new job. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe a fast-paced learning experience. It's important not to confuse crash course with literally crashing into something. The phrase has nothing to do with accidents. It's all about speed and efficiency in learning. Sometimes, you might hear variations like boot camp or intensive workshop. These terms are similar in meaning to crash course and are often used interchangeably. That's all for our crash course on crash course. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a clear understanding of this useful phrase. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.